Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Look at this beautiful and super healthy chocolate truffles. I have made them with dates and dry fruits. Let's get started. I have soaked some dates, roast some dry fruits and make a coarse powder. I've used almonds, sunflower seeds, cashews and some pistachio. So this is the grinded soaked dates and I'm adding them with the dry fruit mixture. Okay, so here are about 13-14 balls. I'm just going to keep it in the freezer for 5 minutes just to make it thicken up a little bit. I mean, they are good for now as well, but just chilling it out for 5 minutes in the freezer. Alright, so it's about 1 minute and I'm melting this chocolate for about 30 seconds interval. Make sure that chocolate is not too hot to dip the truffles in it. So just keep whisking for about 1 minute and shake the spoon and make sure that excess chocolate is gone. Perfect. And then keep it on a wax paper. Just slowly and gently move it. There you go. Now if you want any toppings, you can just add it at this time. Otherwise you can drizzle it with chocolate later when it's cold. Alright, so my chocolate is melted. I have not added anything. I just had 1 minute of microwaving and 30 seconds of intervals, and this is how the consistency is. So I'm adding the dry fruit ball and covering with the melted chocolate. So I'm dipping. I'm using the white chocolate this time. This truffle. Alright, and the dry fruit dates truffles are ready with white chocolate, some garnish with dry fruits and some sugar decor. Here you go. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a try and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.